how to delete your Chat GPT account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I will guide you on how you can delete your Chat GPT account. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. To delete our Chat GPT account, first of all you have to do is just open up your browser, go to Chat GPT website, which is chat.openai.com. I'll make sure to drop a link, and when you go to the website and you're logged into your OpenAI account, right, what you want to do is from the bottom left, you'll find the option called Updates and FAQ, which is frequently asked questions. Just click on it and then you'll be taken to the help page. Now when you're on the help page, to delete our account, from the bottom right hand side you'll find this little chat icon, right? So just click on this little chat button here, and then over here you have to select the option called Send Us a Message. So just click on that option. So when you select Send Us a Message, so what brings you to the Chat GPT login or sign up issues or other, I'll just select Chat GPT over here, and they might tell you what kind of help do you actually really need. Then in that case you just have to simply select that you want to delete your account. So over here you can just go ahead and select you want to delete your account and so on, and after you do that your account will be successfully deleted on Chat GPT. You can just go to Send Us a Message section as well. And this is it on how you can simply delete your Chat GPT or your OpenAI account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.